What did they do to r/memes? They got pictures of the bad Bruce Banner. Yes, Mark Ruffalo. Like the Hulk's supposed to. And Mark Ruffalo is all like. But anyways, welcome to r/memes. I have a problem, okay? I came out with a new series called Level, Love and Joy Vibe, Elevate and Laugh. And that's all I've been wanting to record, but I have a feeling that some people want to see a little bit of everything. So I need to kind of find a way to be able to switch off my brain and just brain, not Blaine. Whoever you are, Blaine, is, I'll say hi. Hi, Blaine, if your name is Blaine. But let's react to this. I didn't look through any of these, so I don't know. We'll see. There might be some caca yucky ones. These two will continue to sleep easy. CEOs not on the hit list. Arizona iced tea still 99 cents, which that's a decent. And it better stay 99 cents. Costco's hot dogs still $1.50s. This iceberg is still level, but it could still collapse. Actually, I think I kind of saw some of those Arizona iced teas for over $1 before. So I don't know. But then again, I might have to look again. Don't. You know what? I don't care. Spam my comments. I actually want that for once. Nobody gives me feedback. I don't know. Like, nobody gives me feedback. Nobody tells me what they want to see and what they want to hear, what they want to. So I'm just like blind. I'm blind. Nobody tells me what they want, so I'm just blind. Give me some directions because I'm blind. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm not a parent. Just so, I don't know. I made a TikTok and like I accidentally wrote like when I became a parent and when I became a parent. So like to all them single ladies out there, I'm still single and I don't have no kids running around. Go back. Your mom will give you some cookies. Just kidding. Just joking. Okay. Burning CDs for a custom playlist old? Me realizing I'm burn a CD old. Ugh! I remember like at weddings, I remember like there was a couple of weddings we got CDs burnt and like they would hand out CDs and stuff like that, which when I was younger, that was kind of like my go to sleep music because for some reason I always actually this is what I'm going to ask you. Leave it in the comments if when you were growing up, if you had to have a noise machine, if you had to have a TV going on in the background, or if you had to have some kind of like CD or like some kind of thing playing in the background so that you can get decent sleep. Because that was like me every night, like still to this day, like, but I found like nice vibrations and stuff like that to listen to at night or nice whale sounds. But that's just me. I'm asking you. You let me know in the behind. And down below, you let me know in the comments. And like, comment, and subscribe. If you're still here, you might have already clicked off. The change is back. I just talked about this. No, we need the kitty. Say hi, kitty. Oh, say hi, kitty. Kitty, make your sounds. Kitty, be strong. Kitty, speak to us. Let me hear your meow. Oh, it's so delightful to have you back. Why would they change it to Bruce Banner? Hulk? Who would do such a catastrophe bad? Oh, I'm so sad now. I gotta roll out. I gotta contemplate all of this. I'm rolling out.